Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to cook our village dinner. Kindly, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. Straight away mom will start peeling virazi. In our village, now that we have not had rain, then we believe that the ancestors might not be happy. Then it is our mandate to reconcile with our ancestors by taking papa at 6 p.m. East African time. She will then slice them into shapes and sizes of her choice. Let's wash virazi. This is salt. Straight away, I will place the pan on fire. This is coconut cooking oil. Always remember to turn them for them to be dried well. Remember, today's dinner has to be taken exactly at 6 p.m. East African time. Let me know in your village if this is the same. Quickly, I will prepare the spinach. I will then go ahead to cut them, followed by the ingredients. And today's ingredients is green pepper and onion. Let's wash spinach. Quickly, I will place the pot on fire. I will then add recycled coconut cooking oil. green pepper. I will then add the spinach to the hot oil. At this time, I have to wait for the spinach to cook for few minutes, then I add salt. I will then cover it and give it some time for it to cook. Let me know in your village how you do it. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Remember, this is Giriama Land, coastal Kenya, Africa. And today we are cooking our traditional dinner. So guys, this is our traditional village dinner. Let's serve our food. Remember, today we are taking our traditional village dinner. It is believed when the rain takes very long time, then the ancestors are not happy with us, and that is why we have to reconcile with them by taking papa exactly at 6 p.m. Let me know in your village if this is the same. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Not seen my video where I cooked papa, I will link the video above. If you're near, you're welcome. Let's enjoy our dinner. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to turn your notification bell on for you to be notified when a new video is up, please do so. Like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.